Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to show you my cross-stitch works in progress, as well as to give you some updates and to also ask a question. I hope everybody is having a great day, and anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Today is Sunday, and it is November 29th, 2015. Okay, my whips. In my last video, I had told you guys that I thought I would have one, possibly two of the whips done. Well, that did not happen. I am so close to being finished. I am doing back stitching now on both of the pieces that I thought would one or the other be done. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you the whips and show you how close I really am. The first one that I'm going to show you that I will be working on today is the J&P Coats, the wedding record. I have now finished all the way around. I have done the running stitch to make the blocks. The only thing that I have left to do, put the name on, the date, and to back stitch the clouds, the house, the trees, and then put the little plaid markings inside the little squares. That's all I have left to do. So I know for a fact that this will be done on my next video. So I will show you what it looks like. And I have to do, like I said, the plaid stitching in each square. I have to do the back stitching in the hearth, the clouds, the church. And then I have to go down and put the name and the date at the bottom. But that's all I have left on this to do, and it is done. So, very close to being done with that. Okay, the next one that I'm going to show you is the birds and berries. And I am also very close to being done with this one as well. This one might be done also on my next cross-stitch video. So there I am. That's where I'm at now. I have came up. I still have a ways to go on this branch. I have finished the tail feathers. I am now coming this way, and I'm going to finish around the bird. There's another leaf that needs to go here, and then finish up the face. And I'm done with this one as well. And here is the actual picture. So as you can see by the picture, I do not have a whole lot left to do. Like I said, I have the sides to come up, the sides, finish the face, put another leaf on, attach a leaf right here, and I think down here I have to do something a little bit more. But then I'm done. And then here again is where I'm at. So very possible that I will have this one done on my next one as well. And now the last whip, and that is the Paris themed one, and I am so close to finishing this one as well. And here is what it is. It's the dimensions, and this is done on 18 count ivory Aida. And as you can see, I've now finished everything. I've got this in the middle where it looks like a postcard now. And I have started back stitching on the branches, the bird, and the butterfly. So, and then this is so as you can see now the middle looks like a postcard. I got the stamp done. I've got it back stitched. So this one pretty much done. All I've got left to do is back stitch the flower, the leaves, and finish the butterfly part of the bird, and it's done. So I'm really, really excited. I really believe how close I am with all of these whips that they will all be done on my next cross stitch video. Really, really hoping. Okay, I do have a question. I'm trying to be quiet while I'm putting my cross stitches back in their envelopes. This JMP coat, I will have this done before the next video, so that's why I'm asking this question. How do I wash this? I know I've asked this question before, but this is an older pattern, and as far as what I'm saying is I don't know if the threads are DMC or not. I didn't test any of them because I didn't really realize that at the time. What would any of you do that has washed fabrics that you don't know about the threads? How do you wash them? Is there something you put in the water? Or please leave it in the comments below. Anything that you guys do that would maybe help this from possibly not bleeding. I don't know that it would. I don't know. It doesn't say what kind of floss it is that I am using, but it is an older pattern, so I don't know if they did use DMC or not. So any help would be greatly, greatly appreciated. So please, if you know of any way I can do this to help keep the flosses from bleeding, please leave the comments below for me. Thank you. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the Winter Wonderland sale. This starts on December the 1st, and this is through stitch-maynia. This is my first sale I have ever done, and I decided to go ahead and participate in it. I love Christmas and I love making ornaments and things like that, so I thought I'd go ahead and participate. So I'm going to show you 4 patterns that I am going to start with during the month, and some of them I'm going to show you really quickly because it's just the pattern and not a picture, so I don't want to linger on them. But I am going to be doing my first 28 count, and that'll be on the Jobelin fabric that I had purchased in a grab bag in a haul a few months ago that I showed you. It was a blue fabric. I'm going to be using those to do this first one is Peace, Joy, and Love, and it's a Lizzie Kate. Real quick. Okay, that's on 28 count. And then the next one is Cozy Christmas Witches, and this is a Lizzie Kate, so it's real quick. Okay, those 2 I will be doing 28 count, very first time. I'm really, really excited to do it. And the next one that I will be working on also during that month would be the Clouds Factory, and it's the Snowman Christmas ornament. and that one will be done on 14 count. So that one won't be a problem. And then the next one that I will be doing is candy sticks. And this was from the freecrossstitchpatterns.com. So I'll be doing that one. I think that's 14 count as well. So those are the ones that I'm going to start with. They are about, I think 3 of them are ornament size. They might all be ornament size. So I might be doing other things, but I will show you as I finish, and if I start something new, then I will show you what else I'll be adding to it. But anyway, I'm really excited because I get to finally do a 28 count and see how I like it. So anyway, wish me luck with that because I've never done it before. And let me see, I have some notes here that I'm... Okay, I will also be doing a tutorial on a Christmas ornament. And this Christmas ornament, the way I am going to do it is going to incorporate cross stitch and crochet. So don't be, don't let that, keep you away from watching the video, because you can also, instead of crochet, you can sew, you can use paper. There is so many ways that you can do the tutorial that I'm going to show you besides just crochet. So please watch, and I think that you will see what I'm saying when you watch it. That's going to be coming up very, very soon, so please be watching out for that video as well. And I am still going to be doing the Listia.com video. I am just finding it very hard right now to be able to sit down and film it, because I want to really explain it to you, and it's going to take a little while to do that. So I'm trying to find the time to be able to sit down and do that. So anyway, I think that is all that I have for this time. I'm just really excited about everything because I've got 3 whips that I believe will be finished on my next video, and I'll be able to get new started from that. And I'm also really excited to do the first sale, the Winter Wonderland, and try the 28 count fabric for the first time. So anyway, I'm just really excited about this month coming up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and commenting. I do appreciate it. I appreciate you all. Please, if you have a question or comment, leave it down below, and I will answer your questions and comments as soon as I can. And until next time, everybody have a great day.